Hello and welcome to another episode by CDBTC. Today is August 7th, 2021. In today's episode, we'll update Bitcoin's price action. We'll also take a look into Ethereum, and we'll take a look at the performance the coins that we talked in the past week have had, because they've had an average of 30% gains. I hope you enjoy it. Let's start with the mother coin, Bitcoin. And as you remember yesterday, we said that we had a very bullish development because Bitcoin had broken through the diagonal resistance lines that came all the way from August, and we also broke the horizontal resistance that we had been battling since May. We finally pushed through it, and we said that Bitcoin had to close above $42,500, and that's exactly what Bitcoin did. And today, price continued to push up, and we hit the next resistance, which is the 200 daily MA. So it's normal that we're being repelled right now. We're being rejected right here. That's good. We kind of need a retracement, and that helps Bitcoin build more strength. So right now we're continuing to be bullish as long as we are above this area, which used to serve as resistance, but as you can see, it's now converting into support. It turned into support here, and it turned into support again today. So this is bullish for Bitcoin. Great news. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum continued on its price increase, just as we said yesterday, and we came up towards the $3,150 area where we were rejected. And that's also normal because that's one of the key price levels that we're watching, and it's a good area for Ethereum to retrace. Anything above $3,000 is positive for Ethereum. If you get to buy Ethereum below $3,000, $2,900, consider yourself lucky. Remember, this all continues with positive price action as long as Bitcoin allows it. Now let's look at the performance some of the other coins, some of the altcoins we discussed during this week have had. Okay, it's going to be a recap. Woo up 17.74%. GRT up 21.23%. Uniswap up 39%. Impressive. Sushi up 35% as well. And Sushi is facing right now a double resistance. So it's facing this MA, but on the exchanges, there are huge sell orders approximately at 950, and we've just starting to crack through those. So once those are gone, price is going to continue going up. Solana 21.33% up. FTT 24.75% up. Radium up 21%, and this is the biggest banger. Badger up a whopping 132.5%. Cake up 15% up. Bake up 27.22% up. BNB up 11.56%. And this one, once it breaks this 200 MA, is going to shoot up. And our beloved Doge just pumped today, up 25.96%. So those are incredible plays, guys. And even though we're up impressively in our positions, this is still just the beginning. This is the beginning of what I am calling the second part of the whole cycle. And it's actually huge. So if you thought that you missed out on the first leg of the cycle, don't fret. This is the second opportunity you're going to get. But you have to act, okay? You have to act. You're going to look back on these past few days, and you're going to say like, oh, I wish I could have bought at those prices. I wish I could have bought more coins. And there's people that are going to say like, oh, you're lucky because you were early. No, we're not lucky because we were early. We got what we got because we took a decision. It's just like when I told people to buy Bitcoin in 2019. I told them to buy Bitcoin in 2017, but we went up, we corrected, and in 2019 I told them buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. Those who listened made a killing. If you put $10,000 in Bitcoin at that price level, you would have been able to sell for $150,000. For a lot of people in the world, around the world, that's life-changing. Maybe in more developed countries, you might say it's not that much, but even for the majority of the people living in those countries, it is life-changing gain. It's just about making decisions, okay? Are you in or are you out? Well, that's the recap. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment.